What's up YouTuber? This is Akash here. Today we are going to discuss on how safe Google search engine is. When I say safe, what does it mean? Well, let me tell you something that you already know. If you continuously search about something on Google, let's say you search about Nikon cameras, you will see ads of Nikon camera on a different platforms. Yeah, that day I wanted to buy Nikon camera and I was searching information on Google, and it suddenly started showing me ads on Facebook. That's pretty dangerous. Why it is dangerous? You may ask the question. See guys, whatever you search is very private thing and nobody should collect the data about the same. But this is not what happens when you use the search engines. They store your data, they collect your data, they store your data, and that data is used for advertisement purposes. Let me show you some statistics. Let me open up my browser here. I already opened the application or website. Just go to the Don't Track Us. It will give you some statistics about Google search. See, Google trackers are lurking on 75% of the website, which means 75% of website will be having a Google trackers. They will track your data. Your personal data remains indefinitely with Google's. If you use search engines, Google will definitely store your data and it will be there like forever. Google uses your data for ads that follows you around. Like I told you, that is my example, and that example you might have observed from your cases as well. You might have searched something on Google and it started showing ad about it everywhere. Keep your personal information. That's the advice that we have. Keep your personal information away from the Google, because Google, Facebook, seriously guys, I don't trust them. So this is a Don't Track Us. That's what it shows about it. So let me ask you guys, do you want Google to know what you are searching about and all the stuff? Because I believe that is very private thing. Obviously, right? You may ask, what is the solution behind this? Yes, if there is a problem, there must be a solution, and the solution is in front of you. So I mostly used Duckduckgo search engine. So they do have a application on Android. You can go and download it. Whatever you search, it's a completely anonymous, a completely privacy oriented. Whatever you do, you're the owner. No one tracks you, no one stores your data. You might be asking about incognito mode in Chrome. Guys, Google Incognito mode, it's not what you think of. I'll tell you about it, what Google Incognito mode does. When you're browsing on Google or something in incognito mode, you're simply instructing your browser not to store your data related to your browser activity in your local storage after the browsing session is over. This data includes any browsing history, cookies, autofills, password, etc. Incognito mode also starts a new session which keep you logged out from all the accounts that you are signed in and prevents the browsing data to be linked to your account. That's it. That's pretty much all that incognito mode does. Pretty simple, right? Mark my word. When you are instructing your browser, so incognito mode is a browser oriented thing. So it does whatever you says, but does Google listens to you? Pretty much you are accessing Google from it. Whenever you are going into the incognito mode, you are going into the search engine using Google, but Google's track you. They track your system. They track your cookies. If no, you're not storing the cookies, they are tracking you through the IP address. So what is the solution behind this? If you don't want if you want to use incognito mode and still you feel that Google should not track you through the IP address, then use VPN. That's a very good choice that you have. But you need to use VPN, plus you need to go into the incognito mode. Isn't there any cheaper way? I feel Duckduckgo is. And guys, Please use this application. I'll tell you how to install it or something. It's I wanted to show you something. Sorry, I've forgotten. So I have this app, Lucky Patch or something. You see, it gives you what kind of information, what kind of ads that your browser your app stores, Android app stores. See, almost everywhere you see Hotstar, Google Ad Founds, India Leads, Google Ad Founds, Loco, Ad Founds, MyGeo, Google Ad Founds. See, Google is pretty much dangerous, guys. Everywhere, if you search anything, it will store your data, it will follow you around. Please go to the Play Store, search for the Duckduckgo privacy browser. I already installed it. Install it, open it. That's it. That's pretty much of it. You use Duckduckgo. They make sure that you use it because they do not store your data. Happy searching, guys. Happy surfing from the internet. Please like my video, share this precious information with your friends, family, because the privacy that matters for us, guys. That's it for it today. See you soon with the next video. Bye bye.